Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you the secret way on how I create my gospel bass fills. Okay, so if you're interested and you want to know more on creating your own bass fills, you should kindly watch the video. Okay, if you're also new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I also do private class lesson. If you're interested, there's a link that will pop up over here, or you see the link in the description or in the comment section below. It will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So I'll be breaking them down step by step. If I want to create a fills, let's say we are playing on key A and we'll be using 6, 4, 1. So we will apply the fills from your 6 to your 4. Okay, so if I want to create a fills on that progression, there is something I normally use as in the shapes. Okay, so we have the first shape, second shape, and the third shape. Okay, so I don't know if you know something about that, but I'll try and do a little breakdown on that before we jump into the fill. Okay, so the first shape goes like this. We are on key A, so if you are using the 4th string, you can learn this too. Okay, so I'll be playing the do re mi using the first shape. So okay, and the second shape, and the third shape. Okay, so with these shapes, this shape will be guiding me to create my own fills. I just need to know the progression, then I can apply the fills. So you see on the first shape, the little finger is playing the do instead of the second finger. So do, that is your 1, T, that is your 7, and your La, that is your 6. Okay, remember that I will be creating a fill from my 6 to my 4. Okay, so do re mi fa sol la ti do ti la so fa mi re do. Okay, now I have my 6 here, I have my 4 here, 1. Okay, so there is something I normally use to create my own fills. That is a passing note. I'm going to join passing notes 2 or 3, or let's say 1 or 2, join them together and create a fill. Okay, so let's say on my 6 here, 6, 7, 1 is a passing note. That is if you want to go to your 1. So okay, and there are techniques you need to apply or you need to learn so that you can also apply. So I've gotten the first target, Latido 6, 7, 1. Remember, we are applying the fills on 6, 4. Okay, 6, 7, 1. Then I bring in my 3. I have a 6 here, that is my root, and I have a 6 here, that is my octave. So what I applied on the 4th string, the passing note, I want to do the same at. Okay, so now you have to combine, you have to join them and see how it will sound. So 6, 7, 1, 3, 6, 7, 1. Okay, you see I've gotten a fill. 3, 4, 6, 4. You see, the right fingers for playing this. Okay, then your first finger plays the mi and same time plays the 6, that is 3, 6. Okay. Okay. You understand? So when I come to my normal shape, I have my 6 here. Do re mi 1 2 3 5 6. Then you can also apply that same fills pattern over here. You understand? You just need to know where your 6 is, then you can apply it. So if I have a 6 here on my 5th string, I 6 here, my 6th year. Okay, that is how you can create a fill. So these are the few lessons I got for you. Try and practice them. Let them stick into your fingers. Okay, and also try it in all the keys. Okay, even if you're in key G, even key G sharp, in S key, try and master them. Okay, so guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.